So what's up? We're gonna start this episode. I've already changed the gears out once, or well, the center section, but I'm gonna switch it out today so everybody can see what's wrong. So the car's in gear and the wheels should not move. So he says that's way too much backlash on the gears. So I'm gonna swap those out to that, back to that one. So I gotta pop both axles out, pull the torque arm out, pull the drive shaft out, pop that center section out. And we should be ready for tomorrow night. As everybody knows, my 3-4 hour projects normally turn into 2 or 3 day projects. So I'm gonna get started on it tonight. Hopefully I get pretty far and then finish it up tomorrow. So show you guys what's up today. We're gonna pop the caliper off, take the rotor out, both sides. They won't be able to get to the bolts in the back. 1, 2 on the bottom. See, somebody forgot to put this clip back in and it tore that up, but that's all right. Get to that later. So let you know how it goes when I get the axle off. Everything seems to be going good. As you guys can see, I got that axle out. So I got the torque arm out right there. I got the drive shaft disconnected. Seems that I just got those bolts right there. Pop it out, slide the new one in, and bam! And voila, guys. It's back in. Got the axles back in. All I gotta do tomorrow is put some fluid in it, put some clutch fluid in it, bleed the clutch, put some transmission fluid in it, put some fluid in the rear end, put the tires back on, and we'll be done. So, actual project went as planned. No crazy hiccups. This brand new center section still actually looks brand new, but I don't know what is wrong with it, because if you look now, oh, hold on, it's still in here. It's not in. So if you look now, that's all it moves. Compared to the other one that moved a whole lot. So I know something's wrong with that other one. The backlash is set wrong. So I'm gonna get the gear switched on that one anyways. But these 433s are gonna have to work. Let you guys in tomorrow when we're all done. It's 12:20. Peace. What's up, guys? Day 2. Got the clutch fluid, rear end fluid, trans fluid all in. It's back on the car, back on the ground. About to bleed this clutch, so I'm waiting for the wipe to come out. Got my remote bleeder right there. The base right there. It's ready for tonight. Get this done, take it for a test drive, see how it goes. So what I had problems with was the clutch seemed like it still wasn't disengaging. So I adjusted it some and I re-bled it, but I also changed the gears, so we'll see how those feel. Get some test runs. One thing it was doing was when I would stop, go to put it in the first gear and go boom, like So just got back. 40-mile-an-hour rolls is still just super spinning in second gear. Third gear is way too low. So looks like it's gonna be about 45 to 50 miles an hour tonight. Nothing slower than that, but that is okay. What else? Fixed everything, seems to be shifting perfect, which is what I've been fighting with for the last 3-4 months. I think the adjustable master cylinder really helped that out, and then with the extra bleeding. And that'll be it for this episode. See you guys tonight in Mexico. Peace.